Hi, I'm Antony. I've come for the academy dinner. I couldn't make the training session, so I've just come for the dinner tonight. So I'm here to network, just meet people, meet like-minded people, have a chat, see what people are about. Um, I've just got my first service accommodation. I'm hoping to go collect the keys next week, and perhaps in the next couple of weeks, I'll be hoping to go live.
Amazing. And how long have you been to the academy?
I've been on the academy just over a month, so I joined in March. Um, so I think around the first week of March, and here I am.
Amazing. Quite good
It is
progress.
it is good. It is good progress. Yeah, yeah. Sometimes I tap myself on the back like I'm doing it and I'm here.
How's the academy been?
It's been full on. You have to be intentional. You have to dedicate time for it because if you don't, it's not going to work. You have to set aside time. Whichever way you want to do it. Maybe a couple of hours a day. You need to, just try and get yourself in a routine where you're trying to spend time with, doing what you need to do with the property search and all of that good stuff. If you don't put in the time, you will not get anything back.
Amazing. And what's it like working with Samuel?
Samuel is very knowledgeable. His energy is fantastic. And I think he's passionate about what he does as well. I think he wants to pass on everything that he's got. So yeah, really great guy.